The best family cars of 2025. Choosing a family car in 2025 means prioritizing safety, space, and technology to suit modern family needs. Here's a concise look at the top family cars, focusing on their standout features based on the latest industry insights. Safety first. Safety is critical, with the IIHS and NHTSA setting high standards. The Kia Telluride earns top crash test scores, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a rear seat reminder system, ideal for families with kids. The Hyundai Palisade offers automatic emergency braking and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. Kia EV9, an electric option, boasts a 5-star NHTSA rating and a transparent hood feature for tight spaces. The Toyota Camry, a sedan favorite, includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with lane departure alerts. The Honda Odyssey minivan excels with the Honda Sensing Suite, ensuring safety for up to 8 passengers. Spacious and practical. For space, SUVs and minivans lead. The Kia Telluride seats 8 with ample cargo room and flexible second-row seating for easy car seat installation. The Hyundai Palisade provides generous legroom and smart storage, perfect for road trips. The Chrysler Pacifica offers stow-and-go seating for unmatched versatility. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid seats 7 to 8 with a large cargo area and efficient hybrid powertrain. The Honda CR-V Hybrid balances a roomy cabin for 5 with compact maneuverability. Advanced technology. Technology enhances family drives. The Kia Carnival features dual rear-seat entertainment screens and cabin talk for easy communication. The Honda Odyssey includes Cabin Watch to monitor kids and wireless charging. The Tesla Model Y offers a 330-mile range, autopilot, and a massive touchscreen. The Ford Mustang Mach-E blends EV efficiency with user-friendly infotainment and over-the-air updates. Conclusion. The Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, Toyota Camry, Honda Odyssey, and Tesla Model Y excel in safety, space, and tech, catering to diverse family needs. Test drive these top picks to find the best fit for your family.